Hi, I'm Dr. Rich Luekenga, and this is Dr. Ryan Whitaker. We're representing the Hearing and Balance Doctors. Today we're going to talk about what's the deal with hearing aid life. Are hearing aids supposed to last forever?
You know, we get asked almost on a daily basis, how long should my hearing aids last? And it's a good question. We know they're electronic devices, and we know laptops and cell phones, they don't last forever. So how long should they last?
You know, hearing aid styles determine usually how long a device will last. For example, if you miniaturize the hearing device into just a small little jelly belly of a hearing device, and it goes in your ear really deep into a very moist, dark environment, that type of style of hearing device just doesn't last as long. Maybe 3 to 5 years, whereas there's other styles that just last longer for sure.
Yeah, so I mean the answer is kind of it depends, which is always kind of a complicated answer. But yeah, certain styles, they don't last very long. If it's in the ear canal exposed to sweat and wax, it's not going to go as long. The kind that sit behind your ear, they're protected a little bit from some of those things, and they tend to last a little longer. I often will tell people that style can go anywhere from 5 to 10 years, but that's a long window. Why would there be such a long window, 5 to 10?
So most of that has to do with maintenance. With the hearing devices, and as Dr. Whitaker alluded to, the most popular style by far is the device that sits on top. It's usually considered a RIC product, which just stands for receiver in the canal with the little hearing device body on top of your ear. Because that device is small still, but not as small as the others, the components are spread out a little bit more. You can replace those. And so as you go through the life of a device, if the little wire breaks, you can replace it. Or if a little microphone goes bad, you can replace it. So much of this has to do with the maintenance. You've got to take the time to maintain the product, whether it's the receivers, making sure the filters are clean, whether it's the microphones, making sure they're suctioned out, all the moisture can leave the device, the sweat, the hairspray, the lotions. And so making sure that those little components are maintained and properly looked at. In our clinic, we even see people as often as 4 to 6 months. So every 4 to 6 months, a patient comes in and we maintain it, suction it, clean it, and we're teaching our patients how to do the same.
So if I were to give you 2 tips to help you maintain your hearing aids, number 1, do some little things daily. Wipe it off if you have a dry rag or a cloth. They even make little audio wipes that are made specifically for hearing aids. Wiping off your hearing aid daily and brushing it off daily is a great tip. There are little filters that many of you can learn how to change on your own. And so the first tip is do a couple things on your own. Second tip is exactly what Dr. Luekenga said. Bring it back to your clinic regularly. Have your doctor clean it, deep clean it, thoroughly give it a good go over. If there are little components that are breaking, they can be replaced. And if you do those 2 things, your hearing aid will last you a little bit longer.
You know, and sometimes people just have bad luck. So you can lose it, you can step on it, your cat can bite it. There's different things that happen to people, which is why if you carry a warranty, and clinics that are into service and maintaining the device, they'll help you renew your warranty each year. In our clinic, you can renew your warranty up through about 7 or 8 years. So those type of patients are usually going to go about 7 to 9 years with their hearing device. So carrying a manufacturer warranty is super important as well.
Yeah, great tip.